Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to write a C program to convert Celsius to Kelvin. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, if we try to write down the stepwise approach that we are going to follow, then what's step 1? So step 1 is nothing to take input from the user, which would be in Celsius, right? So we'll take input of Celsius. Then in step 2 what we are going to do is we are going to convert that particular input to what? To Kelvin, right? Now once we are done with that, then we can simply print out the result. Right, so this is the stepwise approach that we are going to use. So let's start writing our program, and like any C program, the very first thing that we will do is we'll include any header file that might be required. So in this particular program, the very basic header file that we are going to use is stereo.h. So let's include it. Now let's start our main method. Now, as we have said that we have to first of all take input of Celsius. So we have to declare a variable that will store the value, right? So let's declare it using float data type, since we are aware that Celsius can have decimal points. So let's call the variable out to be C in itself, and then let's tell the user to enter it. Now let's say the user has entered the temperature, then we as a programmer have to make sure that that particular value gets stored in this variable C. So this thing we can do easily with help of a function called scanf. So let's do it out. Now let's move to step 2, which is convert to Kelvin. So let's declare a variable A which would store the value of conversion, right? Now we are aware we can convert a degree Celsius to Kelvin easily by having an addition of 273.15. That is, let's say we have 1 Celsius, then that 1 Celsius is equivalent to Kelvin by just 1 plus 273.15. So what we will do is we'll simply say that yeah, Kelvin is equals to whatever the user has entered plus 273.15. So from this particular line, what I mean is that we have to store Celsius whatever the user has entered plus 273.15 in the variable Kelvin. So this would be the conversion temperature in Kelvin. Now let's print this out. Now let's return 0 and run this program to see everything working. Let's provide 100 degrees Celsius, and boom, here you can see that temperature is Kelvin is 373 point something. So this is how we can write a program in C language to convert Celsius to Kelvin. I hope you enjoyed the video, but still if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. So this was all about the video. Thank you.